Welcome guys, if you wanna use AdBlock on your ALCATEL One X 2018, we have to go to the Google Play Store and download the AdBlock, right? So type here AdBlock and you can choose one of this application, but I have better idea, and there is the download the Opera Mini. If you wonder why, it is because this browser has built-in AdBlock, so we don't have to download any other application. So I'm gonna show you how it works. Let me just turn on this browser. Just wait a little bit. And right now click on continue. Click continue again. And when we are going to the website, for example, our website HardReset.Info, you will see the notification coming from the AdBlock. And here it is, the first ads were blocked. And if you scroll through the whole page, you cannot find any other ads here, right? We can also go for the other section like articles, and there will be also no ads. So I highly recommend you to use this browser because it's very simple and totally free. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs up, comments and subscribe to our channel.